In the heart of Ireland, at the crossroads of time and oblivion, there stands a place where the echoes of the past still live. The abandoned church in Odagh, one of those long forsaken by people, but never abandoned by legends. At first glance, it's just ruins. But what if these walls hold a secret that has been silent for centuries? We rise into the sky to see it, in all its forgotten glory. Through the darkness of the ruined walls, among the overgrown grass, lie answers to questions that no one ever asked. Built in 1796, this church was one of the majestic monuments of the Board of First Fruits style. The pointed windows, once letting in the light of morning prayers, are now empty, gazing into the sky like silent witnesses of time. Every stone in this masonry is like a page of a forgotten book. Voices echoed in these walls, vows were made, hopes were born and died. But one day, everything fell silent, and silence replaced the sound of the bells. Only the wind rushes through the empty arches, whispering stories that no one will hear anymore. And yet, this place lives. The wind tells its stories. The rain erases the traces of time, and the sun touches these walls every evening with a farewell light. Abandoned, but not forgotten, Odagh is not just ruins. It is the echo of the past that continues to live in the heart of Ireland. And perhaps one day someone will cross these thresholds again to discover what this ancient church hides in the very heart of the Emerald Isle.